we're going to explore the top 8 healthy foods that you must incorporate into your diet for a balanced and nourishing lifestyle. So, let's dive right in. Number 8 on our list is the humble yet nutritious spinach. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach is a versatile leafy green that can be easily added to salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a tasty side dish. Coming in at number 7, we have quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source, rich in fiber, and gluten-free. Swap it for rice or use it as a base for salads to add a nutritional punch to your meals. At number 6, it's the colorful bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only vibrant and delicious but also loaded with vitamin C and A. They make a fantastic addition to stir-fries, salads, and even as a crunchy snack with hummus. Next up, number 5, we have the powerhouse of nutrients, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Roast them, mash them, or incorporate them into soups for a tasty and nutritious boost. Moving on to number 4, it's the heart-healthy oats. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy heart. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or add oats to smoothies for a filling and nutrition. Now, let's talk about number 3, the nutrient-dense avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. Spread them on toast, add them to salads, or make a delicious guacamole. The possibilities are endless. Coming in at number 2, we have the protein-packed lean chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, essential for muscle building and repair. Grill it, bake it, or include it in salads for a tasty and healthy meal option. And finally, at number 1, it's the nutrient-rich broccoli. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Steam it, roast it, or add it to stir-fries for a delicious and nutritious side dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.